It is.
I shouldn't have got the blue one, but it's coming with this. It's not coming here. Let me see it. Cause I can't see it.
You can see.
I can see me, but I can't see this. It's really comfy. And at the bottom, let me see real quick. This is a little screen. So I get this thing now. Oh, why is that for me?
I don't think they can see you.
They saw me.
Would they wave?
No. My
You just-
lips are red.
Why are they red, Brody?
Cause look.
You just waving at people?
Mm-hmm. They don't see me. They need to. Oh wait, I'm gonna do this. This is the middle. Okay. Dad, which one do you think? I think this one. I think this one. Dang it! I could actually play, but it was this one.
I threw away my the top, Brody. I didn't even see what was on the top
What?
of the drink, the green one.
You threw the butt away.
I threw it away. Remember the can? Remember when I take it off of the green and I see what's in the top?
Wait, take the stores over there.
Hmm?
Where the needles.
Oh yeah, I got to pass that. Can't do that right now. I didn't put it in.
Hmm?
Huh? It's crazy. Like, don't do that to me.
I can just go here.
If we can, no, if you really want the needle, we gotta walk, and we can get it. Yep.
I'm not going to walk.
That's the only way. We gotta get exercise to there.
But not carrying all this stuff.
Exactly. No, I'm talking about after we drop all this off. Then you want it? We can walk before the before sundown.
I don't want it.
You don't want it that bad, then, huh, buddy?
I do.
Well, no, you don't. If I wanted it, I would walk in the rain, sleet, or snow.
I don't want it
That's-
that bad.
You don't want it that bad?
I just
You just
want
want it to run into you. On my phone, buddy. Excuse me. All these phones. Here, hold this.
Oh yeah, this is my phone.
Yes.
Look at my picture, guys. I'm so funny. I'm literally so funny.
You gonna take some more pictures today?
Oh, that's my type of chocolate. Oh. Yeah, you done recording?
No.
Oh. Hey, I can't see me no more.
Cause I'm far back.
Nah, I can see me. Come closer.
What kind of gum is that? Every day, every day, every day. Yes. Leaning on me is crazy.
That's literally the store, bro. Literally the store that has needles.
I can't show them because then it's gonna be sold out. If I show the store with the needles that everyone
It's not, it doesn't come up like that.
Nido.
Yeah, that's how you say it.
Well, with the Nido,